Welcome to this demonstration of front fork oil replacement. Remove the ignition key from the vehicle and cover the instrument cluster and tank. Locate the special tool or suitable jack to hold the frame to lift the front wheel up. Remove the front wheel caliper bolt and top yoke pinch bolt. With the help of a 24 mm ring spanner, loosen and remove front axle mounting nut. With the help of 12 mm ring spanner, loosen and remove front caliper mounting bolt. Place the plastic pad between brake pads to avoid caliper piston movement. With the help of Allen key, loosen and remove front axle pinch bolts. Now, remove front axle from the assembly. Remove the spacer on the right hand side. Remove the wheel speed sensor cable from the main harness. Then dismantle the front wheel assembly. After that, remove the handlebar bolts and then remove the lock nut. Use a 22 mm ring spanner to remove the fork cap nut along with the O-ring and the flat washer. Then take out the spacer. After that, remove the spacer washer and the main fork spring. Thereafter, hold the fork leg and push and pull the main tube 2 to 3 times to completely remove the fork oil. Put the main fork spring back along with the spacer washer into the fork leg. Then insert the spacer. Now refill the fork oil. Pour the service manual recommended fork oil quantity into the fork. Please note, use only the recommended fork oil for better performance and never mix it with another grade oil. After that, place the washer and the fork cap nut. Always use a new O-ring with the fork cap nut. Thereafter, use a 22 mm ring spanner to fasten the fork cap nut. Similarly, replace the fork oil for the left hand side fork. Now insert the front steering legs into the steering arm. Tighten the steering arm pinch bolt with the help of a 5 mm Allen key. Mount the handlebar. Make sure to match the punch mark. Place the front wheel and wheel speed sensor and insert the front axle to mount the wheel on the front suspension. Mount the self-locking nut on the axle. Tighten it with the help of a 30mm ring spanner. Lock the axle with the help of pinch bolt by using a 6mm Allen key. Remove the brake pad separator and mount it on the left-hand side leg. Tighten the caliper mounting bolt with the help of a 12mm ring spanner. Apply torque as per the service manual with the help of a torque wrench. Apply torque on the front axle nut as per the service manual. Do's and don'ts. Replace the fork oil as per the service manual by using the recommended fork oil only. Front fork oil quantity must be as specified, or else fork performance will get hampered.